Hey YouTube, I'm back today with another landing page feedback. Today we're looking at producter.co. Producter.co. I think that's how you pronounce it. I found this landing page on Indie Hackers, so let's take a look. Let's see what's up. So let's take a scroll first. So you have like this above the fold area with this email address, joining the waiting list. So obviously this product does not exist yet, or maybe it's being built. Interesting icon here, like the scroll, it's like kind of like a reminder that you have to scroll. So that's pretty cool. I like these little animations. Collect feedback in one place, and then there's a picture and there's more of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice break. Communicate and engage with your users. Very Stripe. This is very Stripe, old school stuff. Okay, I like this sonar image. So like the image, it looks good. So whoa, that was quick. From a design perspective, it's nice. I like everything. The colors work well. The font works well. There's enough white space between images and content. It follows the Z pattern here. So you go image, text, text, image, image, text. So good job doing that now let's take a look at the content of the actual page. So this is your header. Usually what you do is, you want to take a minute to explain how your product works, what's important about your product. And here it says brand new way to orchestrate your product. Now, orchestrate, it's kind of a interesting word, right? Orchestrate is like a setup or like direction, right? Or the orchestra, there's a director, I guess, that does that with the wand, right? Keeps the tempo, and he does all that, or she does all that. So a brand new way, I guess, to direct your product, because then it says productor helps product-oriented teams to streamline feedback, task, roadmap, and changelog cycle. Okay, so you're not really explaining the benefit that I would get using your product. You're just telling me, you're giving me these tools, but what do I get? What's the one thing that I get if I install your tool? Do I make better decisions maybe? Do I solve customers' issues faster? Do I make my customer happier? So first of all, orchestrate, I would change this. Orchestrate is not a nice-ish word. It's probably direct your product, build a new way to like improve your product. I don't know. There's some better words out there. And then let's talk about this call to action. You ask for an email and you say join the waitlist. This is so standard. I feel like you can probably customize that, and like, you could say a little sentence below or above, or instead of email address, you could say join 1,000 other people who want to improve their product. Join the waitlist. We're building this for you so you can improve your product. There's some text you can add here to make this a bit less bland and a little bit more custom to your producter. Then I scroll, and there's a little bit too much empty space up here. Like, I would expect this empty space to like kind of disappear. And what I expect here to be, I want to see testimonials, people saying something, maybe like, I've tried Producter in beta and it's really improved our X by X%, something like that. So this is where I would put the trust factor, the testimonial, the companies that might be in the wait list, maybe looking to use this product. No, probably that's too much, but definitely people you've had extended conversations with that want to endorse your product. Even if it's early on, like you still have some kind of backing. Other things here, like people usually add is a risk reversal. Like, hey, why should I join this? Is it free? Am I getting a discount? It's like something to motivate them to join. So like, we don't have testimonials, fair enough. What's the first section about? Well, here it's where you kind of explain why you're building Producter, right? Like here you're jumping directly into the features. Collect feedback in one place. So you're explaining how Productor saves you from getting lost among hundreds of feedback spreadsheets from various sources and skipping the ones with high impact. And then it shows you how it connects all of your platforms. So maybe you should mention that you connect with all these multiple services, or I don't know, is that what it's doing? Why are you showing me all these Zapier, Zenefits, Slack logos? I guess it's that what it does, right? It like funnels all the feedback. So we help you funnel all the feedback from various tools in one place would be a better explanation. Because it's not just spreadsheets, that's the difference, right? It's like from different products. Manage tasks, not complex tools. Are you bored from old school task management tools? We'll fill you, mate. All right, so this copy here does not really work. It doesn't really work. Doesn't do it for me. I don't know. Maybe it's just a personal thing. And then here, plan roadmaps in private and public. So this is a good feature. I feel this. Zoom in and out, easily during the product management cycle. Don't lose sight of the big picture while running sprint. But the fact that it's in private and public, the public part has not been addressed. Like, how is your tool helping me manage a roadmap in public? Doesn't really say much. And then share updates in changelog. So do you help me craft a changelog? Okay, so you're maybe like a tool that allows you to create and diffuse and spread, communicate with your customers the changelog. I feel like the weakest part of the page is not the look so far, it's the actual copy itself. Don't worry about your existing task history. So you have a tool that imports from other tools. It'd be nice to list which tools you allow me to import from. Communicate and engage with your users. This is is that another feature, or is that something you get? I don't understand why. You see, like, you have these features here for Productor, and then you say, don't worry about your data, we got you covered. And then you're also saying, we got a portal for you. I don't understand this part. I'm trying to think, what could you do better here? Maybe you move this section at the top, and then for each feature of that portal, you explain in detail the features. Maybe that's what you should have done. Then this section about integration, I like that. Let's see. It's not dynamic, that's fair enough. Integrates with the way you work, let your existing feedback, all connected to one. Okay, so here I assume it connects with GitHub. And again, it'd be nice to have names sometimes. I guess the idea is that if I use the product, I should know what the icon is. So I know all of these, luckily. I'm not sure about this one. I think it's Zenefits. Atlassian, Trello, Slack. Is it even Zenefits? Oh man. Now you got me wondering. We are productors. We acknowledge the significant environment between teams. Okay, let's talk about this section. This is like your mission. I think this should be on a different page, on like the about page, and you should have maybe like pictures of who's in the team, and this is kind of like your mission and your values, right? So that's what I would do. Become a productor, join our community, shape productor with us. Follow our Medium. How do I join your community? Oh, here we go. Join our Slack channel. The text, this color is very hard to read on my screen. This works, this text doesn't work. I would make this a little bit darker, probably. Or kind of make like an outline. I mean, I like that there's an arrow, but it's not very visible. Are you excited too? I don't know the usage of the comma here. Again, I'm not a copywriter, but I mean, not by trade, but join the wait list. Okay, and then I like your footer, very clean. And this is kind of like your pre-footer area where you ask a question. I think I would try and motivate people more, like, sign up now and get like early access for free, and like maybe you get a couple of months for free if you sign up to the wait list. It'd be pretty sick to see that, because you can always upsell them later, right? And then I like here your story, features, prices, guideline. So that's nice. I'll click on it in a second. these are the modules that you have, and this is how you help. I think what's missing, social proof of, sorry, not social proof, like the fact that you're a company, like where are you registered and all that, that probably goes down here somewhere. I don't know what guideline is. It's not clickable yet. No pricing, no features, no story. Okay, so these are like fake links. So maybe, you know, it kind of sucks because people won't expect them to be there. Maybe you can change the color, make them more muted color, like more gray, or line through them. Someone used to do this, was PrimCloud. I wonder if PrimCloud still does it. I don't think they do anymore. But in the footer, when you hover with the mouse, it would show like denied, like can't click on it. Kind of the cursor change, which I think was great because then those are work in progress pages. But yeah, I think this is a good start. If you work on the couple of things I said, the copy, moving that section over, moving this other section over, so this one and this one needs to be rethought of, and then maybe add a little bit of clarity on the integration, rework the text on here, remove all the white space, and rethink about your header at the top, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to explain the issue that your product fixes, right? And you want to kind of like use that throughout your landing page. As a user, would I use this product? I mean, I don't know what it looks like. There's a lack of screenshot of the product. I guess you're working on it. These are, mocks, which is great. It's a great start. So I expect the next part to be, like building these into an actual product and then allowing people to have a demo, right? So yeah, good start, definitely. I'm glad that I got to review this page. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Even better, subscribe to my channel. It's free. It shows me your support, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.